Hey, what's up everyone? This is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. In this video, we will be programming this clicker keyboard with the left master 2.0. That's the model number. And we have a yellow learn button on it. And this one I showed you on the back side. This one is universal, but that's the model number. Now let's start how to program. First, we're gonna go to on your keyboard over here. We're gonna hold the star and pound together. Light will flash and will stop. This will erase all the code you have already on your keyboard. Now you can pick any code you want. I'm gonna pick 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're gonna press pound, yellow learn button, code 8. You're gonna press 8 and pound again. Now we're done here. Now we have to press this learn button on our garage door opener. You press, and now we're gonna press the code again. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna press 0. You will see this light blinks. That means our keypad got programmed. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, any button. So now our garage door opener is working with this keypad. Whether the lights are on, if you press button again, this door will open again. Until the lights are on, you can press any button, the garage door will open and close. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment. Don't forget